Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, I am so happy to have you. If you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. I'm super happy to have you back. So happy holidays, or happy day if you don't celebrate any particular holiday. So it is December 1st, which means it is the release of the Full Spectrum subscription box. Okay. So we do this every month. On the first of the month, I will release a video. So please subscribe and hit the bell, hit all notifications, leave a thumbie for your girl because it really, really supports the channel. When you leave a thumb, you'll watch the channel or watch the video from beginning to end and make a comment. If you can make a comment, even if it's a heart, even if it's a thumbs up in the comment section, it goes a long way to support channels, and that would be muchly appreciated. Okay. All that aside, so what I'm going to do is tell you all the details, and then I'm going to tell you, I'm about to show you the yarn so that you can look away if you don't want to see what the yarn is going to look like. Not everybody likes spoilers. And then I will tell you it's safe to look again whenever I put the yarn down so that it doesn't get, the surprise doesn't get spoiled. I'm going to try to remember everything. Forgive me if I don't. We all know this brain of mine. Okay. So, there are two tiers. There is a 1 hank and a 2 hank tier. Both of them come with handmade stitch markers made by Dee over at Dee's Creative Hands. And the shipping is included in the price for all 50 states. If you want to go outside of the US, you are more than welcome to. You're just going to have to cover shipping outside of the US. So the cost breakdown is $25 for the 1 hank box and $45 for the 2 hank box. You do have the ability to add additional hanks if you would like to. It is $20 per hank in addition. For this month's box, that's a good deal because these hanks are normally $25. If you were to get a custom order from me. So you are getting, a decent deal. We start a YouTube video. Kobe needs up. Come on. Okay. So then, so let's just say you want 8 hanks. So you'll do $45 for the 2 hank box, an extra $40 for the 2 hanks because it's $20 per hank, and that'll be $85. So the way that you pay is by Cashapp, PayPal, or Zelle, all of which will be in the description box below. Payments are due by the 8th of the month. Unless you tell me otherwise, you can email me. The snort you're hearing is my doggy Gizmo. So if you need extra time, you can let me know. That's totally fine usually. And shipping is between the 15th and the 20th. I am trying to get them shipped out sooner than that. But it is between the 15th and the 20th. Okay. I have fiber in my mouth. You do not need to email me anything unless you just need to or have to. If you do, please use fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com. That will be in the description box below. If you use my other email, I'm not going to get it anytime soon. That's my social email. I don't check it all that often. It gets massively inundated. So, Full Spectrum Crafts, that's only for orders or giveaways, but that is where you would email me if for whatever reason you need to. Regardless of what payment method you use, there is a note section. There is a place to write in everything, including Cashapp. You will write your address, and you will write fingerling or DK. That's all I need from you. Address and the weight that you want. Make sure you put that in there, because if it's not in there, then it causes a massive delay trying to figure out how to get a hold of you and everything like that. And then that's it. I'm going to cover something that I don't normally cover, but it's brought to my attention that I think I need to tell people. I don't have a system. Like, I'm not part of any like professional system that when you email me, you get something back, like a confirmation. When you order, you get a confirmation email. I'm not set up like that. I'm small potatoes. I don't have anything like that. So when you send a payment through, I will see it. On the 8th of the, or the 9th of the month, I go through and I start at the 1st of the month and I write every single order down. So it will not be missed. But I don't send confirmation emails and I don't send tracking because it's too much for me to keep up with. And I already have, you know, sometimes delays in that area. So that is not something that you should expect to be receiving because it's not something that I do. Oops. I would like in the new year to get set up to where I can do that. Get some sort of system, you know, be a part of some sort of service that provides that. I don't have that as of now. Let me see. Okay, so this month's bases are, no, Baba. Puppy is a handful. They are 90%, yes, 90% extra fine superwash merino. It's a 19.5 micron base, so nice and squishy soft. 5% nylon, 5% silver selena. There are only 2 weights available, DK and fingerling. The fingerling has 437 yards and the DK has 231 yards. Okay, that being said, the name of this month's colorway is Silent Night, and I'm going to show you that now. So look away. We're all tangled up here. Here it is in hank form, and the video does not do justice, of course. Let me untangle. Let's see. Okay. And here it is in hank, unhanked. There are 3 different colors in here. It is so pretty. I don't know if you can see that sparkle. Just know, being on camera and lighting just does not at all do this justice. It really doesn't. This is an absolute gorgeous colorway. Okay, you can look. So, I'm trying to remember. I set out a bunch of notes for myself last month to say this month. And of course, I don't know where I put that paper. I covered the ways to pay. I covered the cutoff date. This is every month on the 1st. I showed the colorway. I think that's it. I do think that's it. If you have any questions, of course, leave those below. I will answer them, or somebody else in the comment section might already know and answer them. I think I covered everything. I should have covered everything. So I really appreciate y'all's support. I'm super stoked. I've already gotten a head start on dyeing these, so that hopefully I can ship out early and get them to you by Christmas time. I can't promise that because shipping times are extra long this time of year. But yeah, so if you'd like to get your hands on one or a few, they make great gifts. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay weird. Happy holidays or happy days.